tell me say me come down here for you a chat bad about my pitney. Miss Williams, please take a seat. Okay, so Lachey is a very, very bright student, but he just doesn't have a good way of showing it, you know. He doesn't like listening a lot. He doesn't like paying attention a lot. He rathers to be the class clown. You know, we've had many one-on-ones where I've tried to talk to him, tried to tell him that, you know, he really is a good student, but he just doesn't like to put the work in. I know that you've been called in many other times also to talk about the same situation. I really think if Lachey just pays attention and listens sometimes, that he could really, really bump up his grades. I mean, it really is hard having a class of 30 and he's the only one that's, you know, distracting other students, when himself he really can do the work. I mean, when I get work sometimes from him, it's amazing. But it's just the focus and paying attention in class is just not quite there. You know, I don't mean to make it sound like this, but that's just the only problem with Lachey. He's a good student. He knows how to work, but it's just paying attention and focusing. It just isn't quite where it should be. You don't know? I think so. So you mean for telling me, say me come down here for you a chat bad about my pitney? You say I'm not listen. You ever think say the reason why I'm not listening to is because your mouth smell? Like the coffee there where I drink over there, nah, do you no good, right? Me there over here, you suffocate my nose, right? You tell me say I'm not listening and I do this. As a teacher, I feel your job to make sure him listen and him learn, right? Now come tell me say I'm not listening and him do this and him do that, right? As a teacher, I feel your job, right? You say I'm a good student and then him do this, him do that. Right now you sound confused. Which one? Him good or him bad? Right? Me no want to say him do this and him do that, right? As my job is to make him come to school. For your job is for teach him and make him understand. Not tell me say him not listen. That is for your job. It's part of your job, right? Me work too hard for this. Too hard for this. You know what me used to do before me come a foreign? Me used to sell bag juice on the roadside, right? Hot sun about me. And me I wait for $20. $20. You know what $20 is over here? It's not even nothing. So me don't want to hear nothing, right? And then me spend 36 hours in a labor. I pop out that the bigger boy there. He had long like one hairdryer. And y'all come tell me say him not listen and him not do that. Me don't want them to sitting there and not call back my phone if it's not nothing good for telling me, right? You say as from this day, do your job as a teacher. Make sure Emma listen, make sure Emma learn, and make sure him bump up in grade them. Now tell me say him can do this to bump it up. As a teacher, you're supposed to want to make him bump it up anywhere, right? As from this day, mark it. Make sure you mark it on your calendar. Me no want back a phone call for say him not listen, him do this, him there at detention. Me no want hear it, right? Me not go sit here and you can complain about my pitney. You stinking red mouth, right? Like mother, like son.
2 hours later.
Lachey, come downstairs now.